Alright guys, my name is Ron Carpenter. I'm here to talk to you about the 40K challenge. I know you've seen it all over Facebook. Let me get these glasses off. There's a glare on there. I know you've seen it all over Facebook about the 40K challenge. Well, right now I'm going to break it down a little bit because I've been getting a lot of questions about, Ron, what is the 40K challenge? Well, what the 40K challenge is a system created by Street. It's called Street Crewz United. And what we're using is the SCU Wealth Builder, and it's a training suite. Basically, is what you're getting. You're getting rebrandable ebooks that you can rebrand yourself. You can change some things on them. You can put your name on them, change your cover if you want to, your book cover, and sell them or whatever you want to do with them. You can resell them or do whatever you want to with them. And these are all training books to help you with your marketing. To teach you internet marketing. All right, so let's break it down. How do you get to 40K? Well, what I'm fixing to show you, I'm just going to show you the products and stuff that you get, and then if you're interested, when I get done, you can get a hold of anybody that's promoting this, get a hold of me or any of my group, and we got a video that we'll send you that will be a breakdown of how you can get to the 40K. Now, let's remember, it's called the 40K challenge for a reason. There is money to be made with this system, but to get to the 40K, it's going to take a lot of hard work, and you're going to have a lot of hard workers under you to get to 40K. But let's start right here. Level 1, it's $5 one time, y'all. One time. That's all you got to pay is $5. You're basically reinvesting as you go. You're upgrading as you go till you try to get to that 40K. Very first thing you're going to get is your website, your link to promote with. That's what your $5 gets you. Now, what you're trying to do is get 3 people under you. Once you get your 3, you can upgrade. And when you upgrade, you go to level 2. Level 2 is when you start getting your ebooks and your training. See right here, that's level 2. Level 3, this is a 12-step process. And as you go down, you get more advanced training, better training, and you get more of it. Guru Craft, free traffic for broke marketers. Right here, you get high response rates, list building explained. Now, if you're wondering what am I going to do with these ebooks? Well, like I said, you can resell them, or what I do with a lot of my stuff is I do email marketing. That's where I make most of my money online, is email marketing, and giving away these ebooks to get people to sign into your list, to sign up for your list, to build your list. You can build your e-marketing list with these right here and build you a big list with it, and then start promoting to your list the different products and opportunities that you have, and that's where you make your money. But okay, let's go on. You got Hub Blueprint, membership site profits, there's money in membership sites, video creation secrets. You know, every one of these, see right here, you just got 6 titles and you got the covers on them. ClickBank affiliate reward system, 48-hour affiliate plan, different things, and they're all rebrandable. And you get, go back up here where you can see it, but every one of them comes with a reseller certificate, WordPress templates, and out here you can just download the bundle as you go. But this is basically what you're getting, guys. You're getting, you're basically an ebook distributor is what you are when you sign up for this. And this is not something, you can use this over and over. And go through the system, come back, go through it again, add more people that don't. But just remember, the thing is, once you sign somebody up and they get these products, you can't sign them up again. They can't come back to the system and use it again because they've already got the products. They've already bought everything. If you get down here at the very bottom, you own everything. There's nothing else to get. And when you get down here at the bottom, that's where you get your 40K. When you get to the bottom level, that's where you get your 40K. But there's a lot of good money in between step 1 and step 12 that you can make, even if you don't make it to the 40K. That's the reason we're calling it the challenge, because it is a challenge to get to that 40K. The opportunity is there, but it's a challenge. But I just wanted to make that plain because there's been a lot of people discussing it, talking about it, asking me questions about it. So I wanted to put this out there just so you'll know what it is, and it'll be a breakdown of it. Like I said, if you're interested, get a hold of me or any of my team. You'll see it all over Facebook. There's people put ads posting all over Facebook. If you're interested in getting in this, just hit me up, and we'll get you with somebody. See, another thing on our team, once we get our 3, we're done. We're passing them down to the ones under us. So we're helping to build our teams. So if you need help with yours, that's our plan. That's our goal, is to build everybody as we go, to help everybody make money. It's not a competition with us. I mean, we get our 3, we stop. That's all we need. We don't need no more. So if you want to get in on this, just hit me up, and I'll hook you up with somebody in the team, and we'll get you a link. Or if you just want to know more about it, you want to watch the video of how it breaks down, just hit us up. We'll send you a video, let you see more about it. But that's all I got for right now, guys. All right. Y'all have a great day.